And we're back in the shop, guys. So, I pulled the 5.3 4L60 combo that I had in the 59. That hood is such a pain to remove by herself, but luckily I didn't die. So, I got that engine out. This is the 5.3 that I'm putting in Rhino's 82 C10. I'll pop a pic in here so y'all can check it out. But that's what's coming up. So I'm getting ready to pull this off the stand so I could just drop it in the truck for now. And one thing that I see a lot of people don't replace is the oil barbell. So this thing, I got this from Improved Racing. Don't be cheap. There's some Amazon ones that are like 10 bucks. This is like 20, 25 bucks. This is probably the best one that I've ever used. I use the same one on all my LS rebuilds, and I actually use this. They have one for LTs. I replaced this one with the improved one, the stock one with the Improved Racing one on my C7 Corvette as well. But all you gotta do, pop out the old plastic one, which I think I junked it. It's in here somewhere. But you pop that sucker out, lube up the O-rings right here. Boom. And then you just, bam, like that. You're good to go. I've seen a lot of engines with oil pressure issues due to this. Just this thing. So, yeah, replace that. I'm gonna put the back cover on this. Yeah, Cheap Performance, baby. I'll put the back cover on this, button up the oil pan, and then we'll drop it in that one, start taking this one apart so we could do the cam swap. And just a basic refresh with a cam swap for Rhino's truck. Let's get it. All right, guys, I got this put back on. Now, don't forget to put RTV on the corners where the front and the rear cover, come up to the block, because your oil pan gasket, while it does have material there, it won't. Sometimes you'll have a leak and it'll be right there. Also, your rear main, some manufacturers say you don't have to, but I always put silicone on the outside lip because I've made that mistake and it's had a leak or a drip. It seeps behind the seal, like between the cover and the seal. And I usually just put, a bit of silicone around it, just, get it around there a little bit up and then pop it in. But let's get the oil pan on this, drop it in the truck, and then take these apart and start breaking that one down. All right, you guys. Well, I took everything apart. This is actually probably 2 weeks from when I told you guys I was going to take it apart. My phone was on low battery. I never even filmed everything, but I got these split. I already got the engine taken apart, like completely taken apart. We went ahead and pulled the crank and the pistons. It did need bearings. We got a new set of king bearings. I'm just gonna clean up the pistons, clean those up, re-ring, and then drop them back in. So Rhino is gonna get a fresh engine. Now we got this thing running for Juicy, but starter was bad. So I think he's got a new starter. We just need to throw it on and then fab up exhaust. Also, my TIG welder broke, so I gotta order a new TIG welder. The main board fried. But here is the 6.2 we put together in the Apache. This thing looks really tiny in this truck. And the truck itself isn't even that big. But, yeah. Now, I got a surprise for the OGs in here. But we'll get there. For now, we're planning on keeping this here. Anyway. Yeah, so this is gonna chill there for now. We are going to throw the crank in this thing, I already got measured out. Everything is great with standard bearings. So just clean up the crank real quick, lube it up, slap it in, torque it down, and then I already have, I think 3 or 4 of the pistons cleaned up. When you clean these up, don't forget to clean the ring grooves. What I do is just snap one of the old rings and then, you know, scrape it up, get some carburetor cleaner, and try to get as much of that crud out of there. But the pistons look really good. There's no really, I mean, it's a high mileage motor. There's no skirt coating left, but they're decent. And I mean, as far as I know, Rhino isn't gonna put any kind of boost in this. He just wants a super reliable cruiser. So that's what we're gonna give him. This is the original paint. I want to throw the crank in it, the full bottom end, and then I'll tape it up, paint it. He just wants a gloss black everything. I still need to clean up the heads. I'll get the heads cleaned up. I should probably pull the oil seals and then let them soak in degreaser while I throw that on so that I can just pressure wash them. So I'll probably do that. I'll get back with you guys. I could time lapse it. I don't know. I don't know if you guys even watch the time lapses. If that's what you want, let me know in the comments. But either way, I'll get back with you guys here in a bit. All right, you guys, I didn't film any of this, but I got the pistons cleaned up, or the pistons and the rods cleaned up, the crank cleaned up. I got the main bearings in. Roll over. I got the new mains in, connecting rods, connecting rod bearings. Everything is put back together, torque to spec. We're good to go. This isn't going to get any kind of boost, like I said, so it's just, I reused all the stock hardware. Now, I just need to clean up the valves, lap them. Dude, so, let me let y'all in on a secret. These heads, I don't know if y'all want to go back and look at the heads or whatever in the video, but these things looked nasty. Now, the secret to this, everybody always says, use almond cleaner, use this and that. I just sprayed some $2 degreaser from Walmart. It's literally like $2. I think it's called like Fresquito or something. Look, this stuff. It's $2 at Walmart per gallon. Sprayed it on there, let it soak. Pressure washed it, and then the secret to get these so shiny, these look brand new, like it's crazy, is this stuff. Mad Acid. I found it on Amazon. I'll link it below. But look, this is for wheels. It's a wheel cleaner, and it doesn't really etch unless you like. This is, I wouldn't use it on polished wheels because this is like kind of polished and it, like you can see the streaks. I could probably buff it out, which I probably will. But look at this, like, I don't know if I can find a before and after, but I'll try to put it in here. This is nuts. They look brand new. Anyway. Clean these up, lap the valves, throw the lifters in, head gaskets. I'm hoping to have This engine completely buttoned up. I still need to throw the cam in it. The cam bearings look good in this one, which I know you're not supposed to look at them, but they look decent. So just a little bit up, stab the cam in, throw the lifters on. I have a new cam retainer plate. Always replace that. I forgot to tell Rhino to order the barbell, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it. It's like 20 bucks on Amazon. And once I get that in, I'll drop that in. But yeah, we're getting there. I'm hoping to have this done completely ready to drop in. I still have to throw I need to clean up the transmission, throw the torque converter on it. I'll probably go ahead and put a new filter in that too. But other than that, just, you know, a refresh, slap it together, have it ready. Hoping to have Rhino's truck here next weekend, if not the weekend after. Well, you know what? I think Rhino's on vacation, so we might have to wait a couple weeks anyway. But yeah, we're getting there. All right, you guys, I landed here. We got the lifters in. We got the heads completely assembled, valves lapped. We got Texas Speed dual valve springs on these. New valve seals, the works. I think tomorrow I need to go pick up some paint. We'll paint the block. I think I'm gonna leave the head silver. I'll give it a Rhino and see if he wants them all black to match the engine. If he does, then I'll bolt it all together and then paint it all together. But yeah, we're getting there. This is probably gonna be a really long video because I started filming about 2 weeks ago and never closed it out. Never did anything. But yeah, thanks for hanging out, guys. Remember, Jesus loves you.